A ride in the 2010 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, Bose sound system, traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, remote vehicle start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.